I guess here most of them get answer 68 for this problem. Wrong order here. This 9 square is 81 divided by 3 plus 7 times 2. Here 81 divided by 3 is 27 plus 7 times 2. Here 27 plus 7 is 34 times 2. Here 34 times 2 is 68 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, the 68 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket higher priority. This is a exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. In this problem we don't have the bracket, so we are moving to next priority is the exponent. So we have here 9 to the power of 2. So we have to do this before this operation. Here 9 square is 81 divided by 3 plus 7 times 2. Next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right one is this 81 divided by 3. So we have to do this 81 divided by 3 before this addition and multiplication. So here 81 divided by 3 is 27 plus 7 times 2. Here we have addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 27 plus this 7 times 2 is 14. Now 27 plus 14 is 41 is the correct answer.